ready to do this? All right, cool. Go, girl. What do you think, Joe? You think she got this?
Oh, she got it.
Right on. Hey, you all right, baby?
Good luck.
Just be yourself behind the wheel, baby, all right? All right. You guys thinking about Diane's gonna nail this? She's testing out, huh? She's gonna do this, right? All right. That's our classmate. And now she know I'm filming this shit. I hope she don't fuck up. Yeah, she got it, man. She got this shit. What's up, bruh? About damn time, man. I'm ready to start doing some skills. Alright, now that your ass is here, I'm good. Another day is gone. And there is the Colonel. Good luck, D.